Good morning, children. Now we will learn a new poem. Open page number 38. A Good Play. And it was written by R.L. Stevenson. So the the poet of this poem is R.L. Stevenson. A Good Play. Okay. So do you like to play? Can you play alone? So do you like to play, children? And can you alone play? So what kind of games do you play, and how do you use your imagination when you play alone or with friends? So for these three questions, send me a audio, children, about your answers. Send the audio of your answers. Okay, children. Now let's go into the poem. We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of bedroom chairs. So they built a ship on the stairs, and they were all made with the back bedroom chairs. Okay, and filled it up with sofa pillows, and they filled that with the sofa pillows. Okay, to go a sailing on the billows. We took a saw and several nails. So they took a saw and several nails. Nails means to use them. Okay, so nails means these type of things they will be. Okay, which we can beat that nail to fix something. Okay, and water in the nursery piles. And Tom said, let us also take an apple and a slice of cake. So Tom told that let us also take a apple and a slice of cake. So first they built a ship upon the stairs. So on the stairs they built the ship, and it was all made with the back bedroom chairs, and it was filled with full of the sofa pillows. Okay, to go a sailing on the billows. So next, we took saw and several nails. So this is the saw, children, and they took the several nails. And water in the nursery piles. They took water in the nursery piles. And Tom said that let us also take an apple and a slice of cake. Okay. Now, which was enough for Tom and me? So which was enough for Tom and me? So that apple and a slice of cake was enough for Tom and the poet or the speaker. Okay, to go a sailing on till tea. So to go a sailing on till tea, we sailed along for days and days and had the very best of places. So on that they used to go days and days, and they had very best of the place. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. But Tom fell out from that ship which they made, and he hurt his knee. So there was no one left but me. So from there Tom fell down and he hurt his knee. So from there onwards only the speaker was there. Okay, so now understanding the poem. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. So the speaker is playing with Tom and Tim. So the speaker is playing with Tom. The ship was built on the stairs. The ship was built on the stairs. They carried water in big mugs, nursery piles. So they carried in nursery piles. Tom hurt his arm. So Tom hurt his knee. Okay. Next, language in use. Read these sentences. I walked to school. Now, I walked to school. Then, walked means which had already happened. Walk means now we are walking. Okay. Now which is going on present. They talk a lot. So talk means now it is happening. And talked, they talked a lot. Talked means already it happened. Okay, to make the now in then we added ed. Okay, so to make the sentences from now to then we added ed to some action words like walked, talked. Okay, write the then forms of the action words. Okay, so we have to write ed to the then words. Okay, laugh, so it is laughed, laughed, laughed. Jump, jumped, jumped. Brush, brushed, brushed. Climb, climbed, climbed. Play, played, played, played. Paint, painted, painted. So okay children, so these for the words which we use in then we have to add ed. Okay, laugh, laughed. Jump, jumped. Brush, brushed. Climb, climbed. Play, played. Paint, painted. Okay, now add ed to the words in brackets and complete the sentences. I dash my hands before coming here. So washed, washed, washed. The dog dash loudly. So in brackets it is bark. So barked, barked, barked. For this word, just add ed children. Okay, the child dashed the mud off his clothes. Dusted, dusted, dusted. She dash a new dress. Selected, selected, selected. The fruits dash fresh. Looked, looked, looked. The fruits looked fresh. I washed my hands before coming here. The dog barked loudly. The child dusted the mud off his clothes. She selected a new dress. The fruits looked fresh. Okay, now read these sentences. Mama buys a shirt in mall. Father buys vegetables from a market. Okay, so we buy clothes in the mall and we buy vegetables from the market. Okay, now match the pictures with the words. So this is a hospital, it is having ambulance. Okay, so that it is hospital. And the next, bus stop. So this is bus stop. The bus halted here. So this is the bus stop. And this is the petrol pump. You can see the petrol stations here. So this is the petrol pump. And traffic signal. You can see the signals and the traffic police. So this is the traffic signal. Okay children, hope you understood the poem. And once again read the poem and complete the book exercises, and also send me a video audio of this. Do you like to play? Can you play alone? What kind of games do you like to play, and how do you use your imagination when you play alone or with your friends? Okay children, so send a WhatsApp audio of these 3 questions and complete the book exercises and send a picture to me. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.